Okay, here's try it 3.5, where I'm asked to multiply together two complex numbers, namely 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. And as I mentioned in previous videos, your book has a way of doing this, kind of formulaic, although I like to do it a little bit differently. I like to treat the i's like they're variables and then remember that I squared equals -1. If you can remember this, then you don't have to remember that. And so let's do it. So if these i's were just variables, then I could multiply the two of these together. I just FOIL stuff out. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3i would be 9i if the I were just a variable. -4i times 2 is -8i, again, if the I were just a variable. And -4i times 3i would be -12i squared. But I wouldn't be done at this step because I'd see this I squared and I'd be like, I squared is -1. So I can really call this 6 plus 9i minus 8i plus 12. And maybe you would have first combined like terms here. But I'm going to save a step, I guess, and combine like terms at the very end here once I get rid of all my I squareds. Once I change this I squared into -1, which instead of making this -12i squared, it makes it plus 12. Now I combine like terms. 6 and 12 is 18. And positive 9i minus 8i is positive 1i. In other words, 18 plus I. 18 plus I is the product of 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. So I guess I'll call that good.